What's up? What's up? Hold on, let me. I'm learning to use this camera more and more every day. So I was asked to give an instructional guide on how to sharpen your knife and how to use your knife. So pay attention. First off, you want to hold your knife like this, right? You got your what's this called? Your pointer. You got your pointer right here. And you got your thumb right there. All right. See, this right here give you that ultimate control. It allows you to, work that wrist and shit. A lot of folks at home tend to hold their knife like this. I don't know if it don't feel right. Your wrist doesn't get that rock motion. You know what I mean? It just be like chop, chop, chop. You're a bit stiff like this. And then a lot of folks at home, they be putting that finger out. And they do this right here. So like your finger, man, that finger had some power when you was in middle school, right? I could do some things with this finger. But now that finger right here ain't got no power. You know what I mean? So right here you got the power of your hand or you got the power of your finger. So when you hold it like this, you got more power in your knife and it's back at the end of the knife. That's where all the power comes when you push down. So you want to hold your knife like this. All right. I said on my last video that guys got an unfair advantage because we've been holding our knife since birth. So ladies, you got to figure out how to hold your man's knife. You dig what I'm saying? You don't know how to hold his knife, quick lesson. You wanted that good grip on it. You dig? So when you sharpen the knife, all right, this is the steel, this is the knife. The knife is what moves. The steel stays still, all right? So for all simple purposes and shit, you're going to hold a knife like yay. I mean, you're going to hold the steel like straight up and down since most of y'all not like geometrically inclined to see angles and shit. So you're going to hold the steel just straight up and down and you're going to put the knife, I like to angle mine upward like this, and then you're going to put it, if y'all can see, it's just flat against the steel. It's real simple. All right, now if you real into like the geometry of knives and shit, then you can use the angles and shit. But for simple people who cooking at home, just keep it real simple. All right, put it flat because every time you steal your knife, you want to steal it at the same angle. All right, so you'll always keep this flat angle. Like you ain't got, it's not hard to recreate that shit. All right. So when you get your knife, you're going to start at the back of the knife. That's the back of the knife. All right. At the top of the steel, then you're going to slide it to the tip. Just like that. All right. You're just going to slide it from the back of the knife to the tip of the knife. Just like you do at home, you know what I'm saying? Working from the bottom to the tip. Now, ladies, if you learn how to do this right, your man gonna stay home on them slow nights. You dig what I'm saying? Even when you say you tired, you got a trick for him. You know what I mean? Say, I know how to hold that knife. All right. So that's just a quick demo. Later on, I'm gonna be doing some. I think I'm gonna do some banana pudding and shit because I got a sweet tooth. Really.